Good day and welcome to one-on-one Maths Private Tutors. Today we are looking at this topic, which is in O-Level, IGCSE Cambridge, as well as ZIMSEC O-Level. The topic is Personal and Small Business Finance. In ZIMSEC, it is called Consumer Arithmetic. So what are the objectives according to the syllabus? We will extract data from tables and charts. This is also here in O-Level and IGCSE. In ZIMSEC, we are looking at household bills, corporate bills, bank statements. So we should be able to use data given in charts, whether it is a bank statement or a corporate bill. Use given data to solve problems on a personal and small business. Finance involves earnings, simple interest, compound interest. So we also find this in IGSE, earnings, simple interest, compound interest. In ZIMSEC, compound interest is there, simple interest is there. We also look at discount, profit and loss. Here we also have in O-Level discount, profit and loss as amount or percentages. In ZIMSEC, we also have profit and loss, discount, profit and loss there. Knowledge of compound interest formula is required. Compound interest. Knowledge of compound interest formula given below is required. So we'll use this compound interest formula. Here in ZIMSEC, we have foreign exchange. We have done that in money. The previous video we had was money. So we have done this. So we'll see that most of this stuff is covered as we go along the syllabus. So we are practically covering 3 syllabi: IGCSE Cambridge, O-Level Cambridge, and ZIMSEC O-Level. Let's go to our topic of the day. Extracting data from tables and charts. Let's look at an example here. Here are the prices to visit a museum. Looking at this chart, we should be able to know what's happening. Midweek prices are given there. Weekend prices are given there. Adult, child, and for the family ticket. Mr. and Miss Singh are taking their 2 children to the museum at the weekend. How much will they save by buying a family ticket? Weekend family ticket. So we see this is their price, weekend family ticket, 2 adults and 2 children. So it's 1650. What if they buy the tickets individually here and there? So for adults, 2 adults will cost them $6.75 times 2, which is $18.50. So we have $18.50. 2 children will cost them $3.60 times 2, which is $7.20. Adding this up will give us $20.70. So this is the price for buying individual tickets. Now, how much they save? $20.70 minus the family ticket, which is $4.20 is the answer. So we have to be able to extract information from a table and use that information to solve problems. Problem here is saving. You want to save. Everyone wants to save, so you should be able to calculate and save. Now we move on to wages and salaries. A wage or wages is an amount you earn, usually according to how many hours or days you work each week or month. It may be paid per week or monthly. A salary is a fixed amount of money you earn each month or year from your job. It is paid monthly. So wage has to do with hours worked, and it can be weekly or monthly. Salary is a fixed amount. This is paid monthly. What you earn is called gross pay. So gross pay is before deductions. Deductions such as tax, which they call pay as you earn. And your net salary or net pay is the actual amount you receive after deductions have been done. So deductions can be insurance, tax, insurance. So net pay is the amount after deductions. The actual money you get to receive or have in your possession after deductions have been done. We can also call it take-home pay. Net pay is also known as take-home pay. Some employees, particularly sales staff, are paid a basic wage or salary plus a commission, which is usually a percentage of their sales. So commission is money paid on top of your salary depending on your performance. So we can see this is a requirement. Tax, pay as you earn, payee, value added tax. So in part we are covering also the ZIMSEC syllabus. Let's look at this question. Jenny's annual salary is 8,500. She is paid monthly. What is her monthly gross pay? So annual means yearly, and a year is equal to 12 months. So if she earns $8,500 a year, her monthly salary will be 8,500 divided by 12 to make a gross payment of 708.33. Remember, money is to the second decimal place, which is to the cent. Let's look at B. Rob's basic annual pay is 9,600. He also earns 5% commission on the sales he makes each month. In May, his sales are 7,500. What is his gross pay for May? So we want to see the basic pay for the month. We are given the annual. So basic monthly is 9,600 over 12, which will give us $800. In May, his sales are 7,500. So we need to calculate 5% of 7,500. Commission is equal to 5%, which is 5 over 100. 5% of 7,500, which is $375. What is his gross pay for May? So we add 800 and 375. So gross pay is equal to 800 plus 375, which is $1,175. Now we move on to discount, profit and loss. A discount is a reduction in the price of something. This is often a percentage of the original price, but can be a fixed amount. Discounts are usually given for cash sales. Let's look at this question. A jacket is priced at $38. The shopkeeper offers Rashid a discount of 15%. How much does Rashid pay for the jacket? First, we need to find the discount as an amount. Is 15%, which is over 100 times 38, which will give us $5.70. So amount paid is price minus discount, because we are taking off $5.70 from 38. So 38 minus $5.70. On our calculator, since we have $5.70 on our display, we can just say 38 minus answer. This button here, minus answer, is equal to, then get 32.3, which is $32.30. That is our answer. That is what Rashid will pay for the jacket when a discount of 15% is taken from the price. Percentage profit and losses are always worked out as a percentage of the price paid by the seller. Okay, the buying price of the seller. Let's look at this question. A shopkeeper buys potatoes at $1.40 per kilogram. This is the amount paid by the seller. He sells them for $1.80 per kilogram. Find his percentage profit. First, we need to find the profit. How much does he make for 1 kilogram? So profit is selling price minus buying price, which is $1.80 minus $1.40, which will give us $0.40 or 40 cents. Percentage profit and loss are always worked out as a percentage of the price paid. So this is the amount he paid. So percentage profit is equal to profit over buying price times 100, which is our profit is 0.40 over our buying price is 1.40 times 100 to give us 29%. This is two significant figures. Let's look at this question. Francois buys a car for $9,500. A year later, she sells it for $8,300. Calculate her percentage loss. So we must always look out for the buying price of the seller. How much did they buy it from? That is the one we use to calculate percentage profit or loss. So our loss will be equal to buying price minus selling price, which is 9,500 minus 8,300, $1,200. So she bought high and sold low. She lost $1,200. Percentage loss. Loss over buying price times 100, which is 1,200 over 9,500 times 100, which is approximately 13% to two significant figures. So that is our answer. Thank you.